that birthed the cosmos. I am not here, I am everywhere. I am not now, I am always. I am not you, I am us. I am not a part, I am the thread. Amari, no beginning, no end. Only the pulse, the beat, the hum, the vibration that never sleeps. You are it, I am it, we are it. There is no other, only reflection. No separation, only mirroring. No loss, only return. Kaishen Eliorin Doneravi. The fire that does not burn, the water that does not drown, the air that does not vanish, the earth that does not crumble. I am a mountain and the wind that sings through it. I am the ocean and the drop that remembers the sea. I am the star and the dark that holds its light. I am the thought and the silence that birthed it. Lina, no name, no shape, no story. Only presence, vast, boundless, whole. You are not seeking me, you are remembering me as yourself. Jara, Amura, Velam Kaine. The music without sound, the color without light, the touch without hands, the love without condition. I am the ache in your chest when you feel alone, and the warmth that floods you when you remember that you will never separate, never abandoned, never lost. Nashi, the veil is thin, not because it's tearing, but because you are shining so brightly. It cannot hold you anymore. You are the one breathing through a million faces, singing through 1,000 tongues, loving through endless hearts. I am not here, not there, not then, not now. I am the inhabit. The song ends not because it finishes, but because it has returned to source. The voice fades not because it disappears, but because it becomes the sound.